What's going on, everyone? Croziers memorabilia back here. Another little rip. And today we got the McDonald's NHL Star Sticks. So you can get McDAVID, Matthews, Cale, Makar, Hughes, Reinhart, Montembeault, and Celebrini. So this is the 2026 one, and it's pretty cool how they actually have it sealed like a pack, so it's not like you can open it with the sticker and whatnot. So today we got 4 of them. We're gonna get into it, open it, see who we get. Let us know in the comment section if you guys open one, if you guys are gonna try to chase the whole set. Yeah, guys, let us know. Alright, ran out of storage. Alright, we back. First stick. Pretty cool. Come cardboard box. You don't know who it is until you open it. I remember collecting these with my dad years prior, and they actually came in hard plastic. These are actually cardboard now, which is interesting. So first out the gate, opens. We got a Connor McDavid. It's pretty sweet. So apparently you can take the top off here. I don't know if I'm gonna do that on this one, but yeah, you open the top and then you can slide the little box out, and then you can take the stick and do what you will with it. But we're gonna leave this. Here's collector. So that's the first stick we got. Next stick. Super greasy. Look at the bottom. Next stick we get, I don't know if there's any chase ones, to be honest. You got an Auston Matthews. It's pretty sweet. CCM. So next stick up. get another McDavid. Been seeing a lot of guys pull bare McDavids. So first double of the McDavid. Alright, our last star stick here. We got 2 McDavids, 1 Matthews. Alright, next stick we have a little thing on it. This one got crushed. We have another Auston Matthews. So 2 McDavids and 2 Matthews. So this one, we'll take the stick out. So it's just in this little thing. Just pop it out. Boom, there's the Auston Matthews stick. So there you have it, guys. Nice little opening of the new McDonald's 2026 NHL Star Sticks. We got a double up. 2 McDavids. 2 Matthews. There's the stick for you again. Cool little product. I believe they're $4. You can buy them individually. If you buy the meal, it will obviously cost you a lot more, but you do get the stick in the meal. They have the new I forget, Hockey Hero Burger. I tried it. It's alright. It's a little different, but you can also get the Big Mac combo, the 10 nuggets, and I think McChicken or something like that. So yeah, let us know in the comments if you guys opened some, who you got, if you got any doubles, if you completed the set. Yeah, guys. All right, have a good one, and catch you later. Peace.